For the security and safety of the Chinese New Year, we deployed 1,582 na magmaman ng traffic, crowd control, and yun, mag-act as covered security, medical team. So actually, BCPO is 882 na personnel, and meron kaming augmentation from the regional headquarters and the national support units na 30. We have also volunteers, mga criminology intern from UC, BCU, and Easter College. We have 376. And volunteers, other volunteers na 248. And meron din yung mga traffic aid na 46. So, a total of 1,582. So, as early as 12, pwesto na kami doon. Sa ganun, maging maayos yung parada. We're expecting more or less 20,000 na dadalo. Parang major parade din yan kaya for sure maraming manonood din. At the same time kasi it's a holiday kaya maraming manonood niyan. So, ganyan yung deployment. In case naman na kukulangin kami, meron naman kaming mga naka-standby na mga forces to augment in case na kulang. In all mga major parades and activities, we are applying yung 3-layered security system, yung ring. Kaya nga, ada dagijay naka-position there para in case na magtatapon sila ng mga candies or kung ano man yung mga ibibigay nila, andun yung mga pulis natin, mga ibang nakadeploy.
Damat lang tali.
To ensure, meron yung mga tali, mga bollard, it's there. Kung right now siya yung parada, yung itutuloy pa rin, and we're still there. Hanggat may programa, andun kami. Reminders for the spectators, mga manonood ng parada, always na ensure nila, yung bag nila is nasa harapan nila, maging vigilant sila, pangalagaan nila yung mga gamit nila, yung mga batang kasama nila, as much as possible, hawakan nila yon. And mag-ingat sila sa mga matataong lugar. In case na meron silang mga nakikita na kahina-hinala is tumawag sila ng pulis kasi 'di ba maraming pulis naman na naka-deploy doon. But we ensure that marami ring naka-deploy na mga anti-theft teams natin, mga naka-civilian na mga personnel natin na magbabantay din, and we assure the public that the BCPO is ready for that Chinese New Year to ensure yung safety and maging enjoyable yung celebration ng New Year, sa Chinese New Year dito sa Baguio City. Yan, that's our objective, na magkaroon ng zero crime incident during the program and during that parade. Just like last year, ganun nga, zero incident tayo. Yung mga basura natin, wag nating itapon kung saan-saan. May mga basurahan naman doon na pwede nating pagtapunan. Wag tayo magkalat. Let us maintain Baguio City clean.